Hello, my name is Mike Chartrand, representing SOS Managed IT Services and A Laptop Shop, proudly serving Calgary with a comprehensive computer repair and business IT solutions for over 30 years. Our dedicated team specializes in resolving challenges ranging from ransomware attacks to human errors across various platforms, including computers, servers, email, and cloud-based systems. Through proactive monitoring of hardware and software, we ensure seamless operations for our clients, earning us the reputation as Calgary's top-rated computer repair company. I'm seeking any companies in need of business continuity solutions. We excel in implementing prevention and recovery systems to safeguard against threats such as natural disasters and cyber attacks, ensuring prompt restoration of functionality during crises. I'd be delighted to meet with them and showcase how we've successfully implemented these strategies for other businesses like theirs. On a personal note, my journey in IT began during the Cold War era, serving in West Germany in the late 80s, where I honed my skills fixing fighter jets. This experience instilled in me a commitment to precision and resilience, qualities that have since defined our approach at SOS Managed IT Services. I'm looking forward to collaborating with you or anyone you may recommend. Thank you for considering our services. Our tagline, we fix toasters to fighter jets. Give me a call, 403-990-0362. Talk to you soon.